In this video, we will walk through the steps for attaching the VHF extension on the ChannelMaster CM-1776 outdoor TV antenna. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 3/8 inch wrench. Step 1. Remove rubber end cap and hardware. Remove the rubber end cap from the back end of the antenna. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver and a 3/8 inch wrench, remove the screws and lock nuts as shown. Step 2. Attach extension clamps. Firmly press both extension clamps onto the square tube of both the main antenna and the VHF extension. Then place 2 screws through the clamps and tighten using the included wing nuts as shown. We recommend using a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the screw while holding the wing nut with either your fingers or a pair of pliers. Step 3. Attach VHF elements and feed rods. Connect both VHF elements to the plastic mount of the VHF extension. Next, secure the feed rods to the rear element mount with the included screws and wing nuts. Then, secure the opposite side of the feed rods to the antenna's element mount by reinstalling the screws and 3/8 inch lock nuts. This completes the assembly of the VHF extension for the ChannelMaster CM-1776 outdoor TV antenna. For more product and installation videos from ChannelMaster, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.